This classic 1977 Chevrolet Impala LS sedan is up for sale for just $700. The car features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a cohesive vintage look. The current owner mentions that the vehicle has been sitting for about a year, so it will need a battery and an engine flush to get back on the road. Under the hood, this Impala is equipped with a 350 engine paired with a 350 turbo transmission, offering plenty of potential for anyone looking to take on a new restoration project. It's currently a two-owner vehicle, making it a rare find for enthusiasts. While the keys were lost, the seller is motivated to sell and willing to let it go at a very affordable price. If you're looking for a classic Chevy with a solid foundation for restoration, this might be the perfect project. This 1990 GMC Sierra 1500 is available for $600 and is a solid project truck for enthusiasts. It runs and drives, but note that the reverse gear is currently out. The truck is powered by a 350 small block engine, which has been swapped once, and features a 5.7-liter V8. The seller mentions that the air conditioning, heat, radio, and new stereo system all work well. Despite its rust, the frame is still in good condition, and the cab mount sags slightly, but it's manageable. Before the reverse gear failed, the seller was able to take the truck on 1,200-mile trips without issue. It comes with a 30-gallon fuel tank, and all gauges are fully operational. The seller suggests using a trailer to transport it due to the reverse issue, but is open to trades for a small car. This truck offers a great starting point for anyone looking for a budget-friendly restoration project. This 1968 Ford Thunderbird is available for just $1,000, offering a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to restore a classic car. The vehicle comes with a 429 engine, though it hasn't been started in a while as it's been sitting in a backfield. The seller believes both the engine and transmission are still in good condition, but it will need to be towed or placed on a flatbed for transport. The Thunderbird features a sleek black exterior with a matching black interior. While the vehicle hasn't been run recently, the seller emphasizes that the 429 engine and drivetrain are valuable, and even the doors, headlights, and chrome parts are in good shape. This is a great project car for someone looking to revive a classic American cruiser.
All right, if you want to play boss hog but you got a low budget, I got the deal for you right here. 73 Eldorado, 500 Caddy. I had it running, but had blown head gaskets. I pulled the heads and never got around to finishing it. No hood emblem, so perfect spot for the bullhorns. Got the old Boss Hog license plate there. It's not in terrible shape. I do have white wheel well covers for both sides that I've never tried to put on. It didn't come with them, and I bought them separately. Here's the head engine parts there that aren't on it right now. It's red interior. I only have a minute for the video here, so make it quick. Comes with your Boss Hog license plate, of course, and proper keychain. So this is kind of what you get. Check out the pictures. The fabric's gone here, but the top mechanism is all complete.
This 1978 Dodge Diplomat Medallion is up for sale at $1,500 and is in very clean, mostly original condition. The Medallion trim is mostly distinguished by special emblems on the hubcaps and C-pillar. It has a tan exterior and interior with the vinyl top in good condition. Though some flaking has occurred, there is no rot. Under the hood, it sports a 318 V8 engine with the lean burn system paired with a rebuilt 904 automatic transmission, which has less than 1,000 miles on it. The car was a daily driver until the rear end blew, and it was replaced with a Ford 9-inch rear end from a '76 Bronco. The new rear end still needs the pinion angle dialed in for optimal performance, but the seller includes shims for the fix. The car also has original wheels, though the rear ones are fitted with street slicks. A line lock solenoid is installed but not wired. Inside, the car's interior is in great shape, described as extremely comfortable, although the materials are somewhat fragile due to age. This Dodge Diplomat has potential as a sleeper car, offering a fun project for an enthusiast looking to restore or customize it. The seller also mentions having a detailed list of maintenance records and notes that the car is occasionally driven around the yard. This 1982 AMC Conquer is listed for $1,000, and the seller is firm on the price, which may increase as repairs are completed. The vehicle currently does not run, but the engine turns over, and the seller is in the process of taking off the head to address a dropped valve. All necessary parts to replace the valve are included with the car. Mechanically, the mileage is accurate, the tires are in good condition, and the battery is functional. Most of the vehicle's original parts are still with it, making it a good candidate for restoration. Cosmetically, the car has minimal surface rust, and both the body and frame are straight. However, there are a few issues, including some non-working door handles, a drooping headliner, and a grille that needs repair or replacement. Despite these minor cosmetic concerns, the car is in otherwise solid condition. With a clean title and 2 previous owners, this Concorde offers a solid foundation for restoration. This 1983 Oldsmobile 98 Regency is available for $1,500 or best offer. With only 98,000 miles, the car comes equipped with a 307 engine and a solid transmission. It's primed and ready for paint, making it an ideal project for someone looking to restore or customize this classic sedan. The exterior is currently in primer gray, while the interior features a rich burgundy color. The car also includes a sunroof, adding a stylish touch to its classic design. If you're in the market for a classic Oldsmobile with a good motor and transmission, this could be a great opportunity. This 1979 Cadillac Sedan DeVille is a classic project car with plenty of potential, available for $1,500. With a striking brown exterior and matching brown interior, this Cadillac has driven just 75,853 miles, making it a low-mileage find for its age. While it's described as being in poor condition and is missing both the radio and ignition key, the car still holds a lot of promise. With some restoration work and attention, this vintage beauty could be brought back to its luxurious former self. The seller emphasizes that, despite its current state, the car is a true head-turner and a great candidate for someone looking to restore a piece of American automotive history. If you're up for a rewarding restoration project, this classic Cadillac could be a perfect fit. This 1983 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe is listed for $1,500 and offers a rare opportunity with only 23,660 miles on the odometer. The car features a beige exterior and interior, providing a classic, cohesive look. The Eldorado does not currently run, it died while driving, and has no spark. The seller has decided not to attempt repairs, so they are asking for cash or are open to trades. If you're interested in taking on a project, you'll need to bring a trailer for transport. With such low mileage, this car could be an excellent restoration project for the right buyer. For just $500, this 1974 Chevrolet 1500 pickup is available as a project vehicle. It features a red exterior with a black interior and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck has been parked for several years due to a transmission leak, but it comes with the original title and is a solid candidate for restoration. With 2 previous owners, this vintage 3/4-ton pickup could be a great deal for anyone looking to bring an old workhorse back to life.